Гей, геймерки і геймери, у нас другий епізод диспатчу, так що працягуємо.
Dang it! I'm gonna be late for band practice.
Unexpected
Дошка.
things happen every day.
А, ні, не подобне.
SDN, help me out with this.
А, это реклама?
It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
SDN.
Ось гэта слоган. Но ён некі твар гэтага SDN, ён і на постері.
Yeah. Wait, what's that?
Це жартик був? Вітанки?
No, just a commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenal man. He's like a rock star.
Усі у захваті від
I'm
того
joking, 'cause of the
феномена.
rock and the roll. Cool.
Рок
Cool
and
commercial.
roll and rock.
I'm a fan, you might say. You could say that.
По мне так ён
He's
не
not the
вельмі
best
актор.
actor, though, which was important for that commercial to be less weird.
He is the best actor. Well, acting when there's danger. I think if the whole
Ну, ён
world is
некі
played,
гумовий
then
чоловік, напевно,
he's still
у його
awesome.
такий гук.
Can't argue.
Ну, этот костюм, конечно. Так, наш перший день працовний.
Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is yep. That is,
Just-
yeah.
Давай я зроблю.
You.
Oh no, not necessary. I'm sure I.
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No.
А,
I
ён
mean,
так само
yes,
прийшов
but yes is
забеситься.
more- My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they
А,
call me, but
все-таки
yes, I
вода.
am.
Ох, это чупик. Ой, ён без бровов. Ну, нам треба буде з ним як помиритися, бо
Oh, okay. Oh,
ми ховаємося за ним.
now that your face is next aside of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead. I thought
Just on the inside.
you look small or different in person.
Never knew
Конечно,
your
без
hero.
костюму.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
І серйозно.
Wow, Blazer, Juan, a real hero.
Sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Нам треба буде неяк з цим огненним чоловіком помиритися, коли нам його треба менторити. Навчати. Так, нас заховали. Чому ти нас так жорстко укинула
Take your
в
clothes
це?
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here,
Що, які інциденти?
I
А,
remembered you being bigger. I was a little trippy.
це чоловік і не познає нас, коли ми
I've never
візьмемо
felt silly
костюми.
wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet.
Добре, феномен.
Oh,
Чи як його?
sorry. Should I turn around? Or...
Конечно.
should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
Ну, это HR
Well, this might be
violation.
the fastest HR violation of a new employee in history.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Конечно. Это все равно все шкляное.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay,
О, ну
well,
ми,
you didn't have to
конечно,
say it
нас
like that.
шнару вельми шмат.
I want
На
to say
спине.
again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake.
Ну, старається
I
все
can
броком.
go into the details of those complications with you later.
Didn't feel like a mistake.
Да, я не думаю, що
At
це
least not
була
to me.
помилка.
Well, that makes one of us.
Типу, був
It
агулом
was a
та
nice
вельми
night.
добрий
Nothing more than that.
вечір.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Що, а там хтось це не бачить?
Who locks a conference room?
А ти тут що робила?
you two fuck or what?
Ось Яна
We
так
kissed.
само забацила
It was
мені.
very innocent.
Like cheek
Nah.
innocent or tip of your dick innocent?
Okay, stop. First of all, we did not kiss. You
Яна
kissed
вельми
me.
подобна на
Second of all,
Вайцерке,
it's
но
none of
это,
your
конечно,
freaking business.
я
Well,
лишу
she cussed. Must have been a good
один
one.
із маркетингових
Robert,
виходів на
this is
початку
Invisible.
цієї
She
гульні.
is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad-bod superhero with no
А,
superpowers.
є.
Can't
Тобак ми
wait.
His
будемо
identity, all of this, that's
виправлять
staying between us.
злодію
He's still
спеціально.
like a man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look, I'm here to
Ой,
help. It's what
это
I
не то,
do.
что я брала.
You have a chance to turn things around, bring some good into the world, and I'll support
Я
you
не
in
поспела, я
whatever
покуль
way
прочитала все
possible.
варианты.
So that maybe, just maybe, by the end of all of this, helping people is what you do too.
Well, I'm wet.
Яна...
I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Інвізибіч, це, конечно, лепше. Он такий ребрендинг. Ну, ось тут є інше.
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people.
Екс-супергерої.
Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great.
Чому некоторі все ж таки працюють у своїх костюмах?
Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount
Де
of
аккаунтинг? Покажіть
work.
мені.
Triple
У мене
Ds, but I was
Хірес.
informed that had a different combination.
Скільки героїв всього у нас є?
Network-wide, we're over 300. Here at the
Це
Torrance
нормально.
branch, we've got somewhere between 45 and
жартуйте в
50,
коментарях.
depending on our roster at any given time, working different shifts. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen,
Нічого
way
собі.
back there, born with super hearing. He's from, I want to say...
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there.
Ой, я таке
At work, I tend to
старомодне.
get a little
Corny?
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Records room. Окей. Ну, гэта, мне здаецца, сцэна ўжо, не ведаю, паўсюдь полюбала.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, bro?
Да, я Роберт.
Roy, but people call me Roy.
А,
All right. Good to
нам
meet you,
все-таки
bro.
менторить їх
Likewise.
треба бути броскими.
So Royd, like,
Ну, я помив руки.
Steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen.
А,
The
і он
three
так
other guys
само
here, they go by the name
такий
Roy. So I think it's like, you know, we go scrap, we go brown,
блакитненький.
I boss you up, and then, you know, you got Royd. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think.
Того він так само ментор, або які такі
Hey, you think
корпоративні
that's why they call me Roy? Like I'm on
виконує
steroids.
обов'язки.
But they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro? They think
А,
Roy's not natty.
сумняюся, що це
look, it's
совпадіння.
not my business, but I don't think it's a coincidence. Sorry.
Whatever. I don't care.
That's, yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was.
Ну, я
we're
руки
both
мить не
holding our
буду, так?
dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Откуда він ведає?
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother, it's Kapu. Need to know basis, and Roy need to know. Other one go come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna
Вот такий
wash before you
акцент.
do that?
Nah, bro, I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Так. А ми тут будемо працювати. Ось це, звісно, кабінетик.
Freckle-faced fuck. How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
А, це сябр нашого батька.
Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
Ці я ведуть
I'm
себе?
sorry, do I know you?
Why are you all tense? What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be that as it may, I'm still confused.
Oh,
Конечно,
right.
вельми ж
But
мало
I'm
зараз
old as
про
shit.
таких.
How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy shit.
Yeah, you fucking.
Такі маленькі
Why are you
дідуля.
accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
15 годів назад.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us. So I can't imagine what you.
Помер батько, так кульки Роберту Робертсону году.
You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry,
До
I
речі,
never noticed.
Fucker. It's
я
the
так само
powers.
по коліну не сказав,
I
ніяк
moved 50 times
не
faster than
подумала
the
про
average
це.
person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers.
Ви що мене
Nowadays,
такі
I'm moving
старі?
slower than frozen piss to keep the
А
old
скільки
kicker
тобі
from popping
годов?
on me.
Then how old are you really?
I turned 39 a few months ago, but went to Dave and Buster's, shit was lit.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect then re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last I love you before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers.
Давай, розповіді про нашу команду.
Now, if I'm being
Aye.
honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Так, ти хто такі?
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate
Who will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate?
Ну і он
not all Harvard
розумненький.
who also orchestrated some of the
І
most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in
харизматичний.
US history. Also,
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied
Вміє
your pension
літати.
plan.
І вміє трансформуватися ось в таку велику гібрид і інтелект. Наступне.
Флабей.
Це ми
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not burn.
відаємо.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
Проблеми з злостю, звісно. Наша
Invisible,
біч.
who you met. Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't.
Одиночка.
ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious, really? Of a criminal that turns
Mobility.
invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Так, окей,
Here
наступне.
we have
А ми її
coupe,
бачили у
which
барі
I
так
recently
само.
learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the
Assassin.
mob, then went independent.
Окей.
Punch up.
Carnival
Ну,
strongman
всю
who made a
компанію
deal with
красей
the
ми
Solstice.
побачили
Given the strength
у
of 10
барі
men,
у
his muscles
попередньому
grew,
епізоді.
but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charming brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Так, харизма і трошки комбата. Розберемося там.
Malevola, terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
На полову
Somehow she's still
демон.
late for every fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does it on purpose.
Кіднепін і забойство другої ступені.
That's Golem. He is a
Всього
construct.
20 ходов.
Construct?
Yeah, a bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I think he's lonely.
Так, і
Prison.
опошнє.
Michigan born and raised. The power is weird.
26.
Weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Попстар,
Why does she
нічого
dress like
собі.
a pop star?
She's
Yeah.
actually super talented.
І ілюзіоніст. 1,3 мільйона фоловерів у її. Так, що ще? Може, які цікавостки? Тобі 33, 43. Мені відомо, скільки тобі. А,
Wait, so
okay.
the Z team, my team, their Phoenix
розберемося
program?
по
That
ходу.
is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it.
Ну, я
Can you show him his
поспробую.
desk?
Sure.
Чому
What's
не
that
за що
on
до мене
speed,
чіпає?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
Логін Роберт, це вельми секюрно. Какой-то чек-ліст, некі речі, які треба зробити, а некі
This computer's older than
напоминалки
you
там.
look. Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
А мені треба відати,
we
хто
like to
ти,
start
напевно.
slow.
Хоча, може,
Most
треба.
people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
Так,
What do you mean
окей.
safety?
You'll be fine.
Поспробую
And this here
не
is our
залажати
little slice
гэтым
of the
разом
Southland.
і бути лепше.
Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Конечно, коли б я поспівала все читати,
Now
було
put your headset on
б
and
більш
introduce yourself to
продуктивно.
these pricks.
В плані того, що я можу обирати. А то я там
Hey,
було
team,
більше...
this is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's
Вельми
not your
смешно.
Hey, bitch! You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
Ну,
him in his
завалили свої зяпи.
Roberto son. I saw him in his underwear. He back in my...
Нічого, я з вас ще зроблю супергероя.
Which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your email. Shut the fuck up.
Ось його всі слухаються.
fucking recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear
Там
before
будто
we send your
стільки раз
stupid
сказали
fucking asses
фак,
back to
так.
whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of. Alright?
Ось так з цими треба розмовляти. Так, у нас перша справа. Це вельми легко. Це вельми легко, тільки треба забратися на 50 метрів. Ну, ти можеш літерально літати. Це ізі. Давай. Такі розумненькі. Сонар. Так, наступна справа.
requesting a hero for a very important event.
Who's this Vanderstink guy?
Willem Vanderstink.
High profile.
Certified genius.
Треба
Literally, he
неку
has a
стужку
certificate.
перерезати.
You aren't a genius if you need a piece of paper that says you're a genius.
Ну, ти літерально поп-стар. Мені здається, це для тебе праця.
In the name of the moon, I'll beat your ass.
I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday. Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
Що, їх виходить? А, не
Today's
дочекаєтеся.
Friday.
Що у нас? А, сьогодні? Шанси. Найс.
Don't be
Найс.
intimidated. This is just business.
Я кое-що про тебе
Okay,
прочитала.
what's going on with Sonar?
Oh, that, yeah. He kind of randomly turns into a monster sometimes.
Randomly.
We
А,
are
тепер у нас
working
тільки
on controlling it.
злий. Короче, його зараз нельзя користатися, або користатися в ніяких таких ситуаціях, куди ми можемо дослати таку почварочку. Що це таке?
Oh my god! My Amadeus breaks shit everywhere!
Так, складаність низька. Треба хакнуть. Поспробуємо. Давайте. А є некий час? Ми таку гульню вже гуляли. Так, це як будувати такі мостки.
Let's see if I can do this.
Вверх, вниз, слева, право, вверх. Так, лево, лево, право, право. Не спрацювало. Вверх, вниз, слева, право, вверх. Покуль что. Так, лево, вверх, право. Все. Зрабілі. Все. Шиковно. Так, что у нас тут? Стужечка. Ну. Обрали знову таки ми добре. Так, тут що у нас?
Someday my subconscious will live on in a chip, and your subconscious will be
Треба
dead.
ніяких
Cringe.
вигнать хлопців з баром. Два герої дяруться, змагаються поміж собою у Криптонайті, там, де ми і були. Дипломатикарі треба, тобто треба хтось з харизмою. Ти. Але треба не тільки з харизмою, а як їм ще було криху страшно. Так, ну у тебя проблемы. Давай к тебе дошли.
On it. Heading straight there. Right after I piss.
Так, у нас тут Яна поки що відпочиває. Може, вона якраз відпочне, і ми поспіємо ще натиснути. Ой-ой-ой. Що? Треба нечто брати. Файтмен не подобається назва. Треба придумати нове ім'я. Maybe. Може, гата. Так, БД Саундіни. Ну, крутую назву треба їм пропонувати. Конечно. Ну, это...
The Duelist and the Brawler. Those names are better than they have any right to be.
Так, давай. Попстар.
Robbery in progress at the
Так,
yacht
у
club.
нас тут что? Ой, ну не ведаю. Ну. О, до речі, мені здається, він уже нормальом став. Ну, кого дослать? Як быццам бы гэта троху твоя спецыфіка, ты штось мусіш ведаць. І магчыма з табой даслаць кагосьці. Цябе. А, только аднаго можна. Ну, давай. Візі біч.
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
So, just a
О,
guy?
калі яна адна, яна хутчэй падарожнічае.
Got your ass kicked by just a guy.
All of you. Shut the fuck up.
Все, гэта, мне здаецца, апошняя будзе таска. Ты куды папёрся? Я тебя нікуды не дасылала. І што ён? Што ён робіць?
Fire
Ён...
at a local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that
О,
fire?
цікава
The
чому?
fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how could I know?
Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough problems
Ну,
without you making
давай.
new ones.
Whatever, man.
Давай, так, що у нас тут поспіх? Ну, ёсць шанс, але добра. Пакуль што мы
Pretty
вельмі
good for a
добра
first
ідзем. Я таксама лічу, мы тут ўсё павырашалі.
Hey, someone's robbing the museum. I don't know what you do, man. I just started today.
Окей. Ой, шкада, што ты адпачываеш. Шкада, што ты адпачываеш. Ну, а ёсць час? Может, ты адпачнеш, і я яшчэ паспею?
Bone Zone Diaz here. Today's topic is all about SDN hiring criminals to protect us.
Ну, трэба хтосьці, хто з вялікай харызмай.
I'm doing it.
Давай,
I bet he's got a punchable face.
ёсць шанс. Адпачывай, давай хутчэй. Тік-ток. Штосьці там не атрымалось. А, цяпер уже можна і дваіх. А у нас просто, можа, не было? Ну, мне здаецца, вось вы мусіце... Спадзяюсь, нічога дрэннага не будзе.
Security here is amateur hour.
Ой, ну што у нас тут з гэтым пажарам? Нема контролю. Як ми можемо його потушити? Ну, давай своє тіло поспробуємо використати. Не ведаю. Якби це ми там добре ми обрали. Чи ні? Так, тут що відбувається? Давайте я хакну. Давайте. Поспробуем. Ой, конечно, коли меня не тримається. Ой, ось лімітування по часу. Ніякого прешера, да? Ой, ні, щось ми не туди. А, ні, все, отрималося. Це ми хакери. Хацкери.
Hey, it's me again, Galen. Blazer told me to show you the ropes, so here we are. Hey, a hero ranked up. Good job. Go check that hero data.
А, можемо я ще їх ніяк узамацняти? Апгрейд.
Every rank up earns skill points. Use them for increasing stats. Use the plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Окей. Так, ну тобі треба мозгов трошку б додати, не ведаю. Но у нас поки що 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. Альбо в мобільність вельми. Давайте полепшим. Кольки у нас тільки один? Так, наступний. У тебе нема ніяких? Більше ні у кого нема. Так. Ну все, тоді. Так. Що ми щось... Так, що у нас тут? Ті отрималась. Шенсис алло. Зараз. Я так само так думала. Так, сябри, треба було мені по справах одести, але працягуємо.
We've encountered these thieves before.
Ага. Зустрікалися ми вже з гэтымі. Треба їх схованку так само шукати. І крос-референс це допит. Так чи ні? Ну, я думаю, це буде бедкоп і... Давайте ось так. І добрий коп. Зробимо. Максимум, це вже наша апошня заданиця. Так, що? Який поспіх у нас? Ну, ми гарантовані, я б сказала. А треба було розум? Так. Опа, у комусь далі новий поінт. Ну, це, конечно, крашиха. Я, до речі, бачила некий тікток, що її форма була змальована з одної тіктокерші, якраз таки. Так, харизми. В її, як бицем би, как-то ось комбат некий слабенький, 3. Хоча харизма і комбат є те саме мощне, її характеристики. Ну, давайте додамо 1 баль туди. Ну, все. Можна про кожного ще раз почитати інформацію і їх здольності. Не всі здольності нам відомі. Так, але в одиночках так это ми ведаємо. У остатніх Здольності у яе яшчэ ведаем. О, калі задание там, дзе 2 слоты, і яна адна з таго, кого мы выбіраем, яны все атрымліваюць +1 да комбата. І +1 да мабіліці, калі мы яе другой абіраем. Імбовыя нейкія бусты. Так, на гэтым пакуль што ўсё.
Wow, you're on fire today.
О, даведаліся, якая ў яго здольнасць таксама.
Here, William Vanderstink needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? Been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
Цікава, калі ён перамагае некалькі, ну, мы некалькі заданняў паспяхова выконваем, то у яго просто захоўваюцца эти бусты, пакуль мы не прайграем. Для некаторых мы можем выбраць толькі одну. Я не почитала. Я думала, можно будет натиснуть и почитать больше.
We're going to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
Альбо Сонору плюс 200 хп, альбо всей команде. Я думаю, всей команде. Так, ну треба ахоўваць. Трэба ахоўваць. Ці не призму. Не призму. Куб, давайте тебе поспробуем.
I need you in the field. Sorry.
That's like a real bummer, man.
Не ведаеце, на што гэта паўплывала? Так, уже хутка сканчваецца наш працоўны час. Ой, ну хто зможа? Трэба хтосьці з харызмай. Хто бы гэта мог зрабіць? Яго гэтага. На добры бок. Альбо цябе. У іх, як быццам мы амаль аднолькава. У цябе нават харызмы круху пабольш. Так, што у нас тут атрымалася? О, шансы.
I guess you got it
Critical
done.
role. Так, тут штосьці. Ай, это мы даслалі яе. Так, Стелс, ну гэта ты, канешне. У нас уже хутка сканчваецца смена, як быццам бы мы паспеем.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
How the fuck did that happen?
I set the scar on fire. Yeah. Very flammable. Kia Soul.
Так, ну, давай табе яшчэ раз, каб ты вельмі такі моцны быў у абароне. Так, і табе. Мобилити, комбат. Харизма просто нулевая. Давайте мобилити. Такс. Так, штосьці тут адбываецца. Яны схапілі дзіцёнка, але не ведаюць, што рабіць 12-гадовым. Трэба з ім паразмаўляць, канешне.
Give him a pep talk.
Oh, sure, I'll give him a pep talk, all right.
Да, была это. Так, у нас яшчэ адзін баль. Яшчэ адзін баль. Ну, ты харызматычная штучка. Давайте працягваць у гэтым накірунку. Так, тут у нас што? Ой, вельмі шмат іх. Што рабіць? Што рабіць? Ну, у нас тут немагчыма прайграць, я лічу. Так што давайте абараняць. Абараняць это якраз таки тое, што было ў нас дрэнна.
My tail's wagging, I swear. Not bad.
Так, Invisibić. Што табе яшчэ? Харизма таксама просто нулёвая. Комбат слабенькі. Давайте яшчэ мабільнасці накінем. Штосьці хоць адно мусіць быць добрым. Всё? Калі ўжо там наш сканчваецца час? Так, не, штосьці новае. Давайте вы отпочните, каб у меня было больше выбору. Так, цудоўна.
Grannies, I got this.
Hold up, aren't you banned?
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
Ну,
Yeah, nice try, dude. I'm not going anywhere. Except Grannies.
а я на них, карацей, нельга. Ладно.
It was kinda nice. When you get
Нельга было
paid for it.
скасаваць.
Can I get ice down here, please?
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Ой, так, ну и на там.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in.
Штось это здарылася?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero shit.
Just a plain-ass glazed donut. You happy?
Not as happy as you with that glaze all over you, huh? You slap that donut around on your face a little before you put it in your mouth, huh?
Yep, you got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room?
Угу. Якби сам певно сидів ось тут
What are you
ось
doing?
і
You gonna poke her
свалився.
with a stick?
Це 100. Ну, може, і не ще
Granny's
живий.
alive. Thank Christ.
Добре.
I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
Гренні...
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out
Это
if
не
the perp is
бабуля?
still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant.
This guy,
Fuck,
это
I can't think of a
дядуля?
character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old
Да, йому
person.
39. Кроху поваги.
Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn.
А, нема доступу? Чому? Хтось не
Am I
хоче,
doing
щоб
something
ми...
wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Ми хакнем зараз. Клік-клік. Так, поехали. Час не обмежованы гэтым разом. Так, вверх, вверх, низ. Право, лево, право. Вниз, вниз, вверх.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Лево, лево, право. Вверх, вверх, низ.
Hello?
Ugh.
Так, что у нас тут такое? А-а-а. Так, у нас... Ой. У меня кілок. Ну, зараз. Ось там некий ключ. Право, лево, право. Теперь по
This node
ключ.
represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Вверх, низ, лево. Вверх, вниз, слева, лево. Вверх, вниз, лево, лево. Та-дам! Так, що ми бачимо? Ой, він все ще там.
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone.
О, некая небезпечная.
He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Ну, я хоть...
Whispering, you idiot. You're in my ear.
Та, добре, що я не бачна. Чому би мені сховатися і нічого не робити?
This bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind. Got any more
А
brain
є
advice?
вмішування? Блін, у нас масік.
Disappear.
Блін, є кров. Ой, сподіваюся, я не застрахована, бабуля ГТМ. Тут. Ой. Ой, бога, супергероя мусить бути сніки свої слабості. Все ще біч.
Invisigal. Just hold him off while I find a way to help. I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Давай. Боже, ну ще обмежованное по часу. Так, мы не ведаем. Мы угадали, чи що? Холера. Я не розумію. Да. Не, я покуль что... Read only. Низ сверх. Низ вверх. Вверх, низ. Низ, вверх, вверх, низ. Низ, вверх, вверх, низ. Вверх, низ, низ, вверх. Холера. Ну все, мы не поспели. Лево, лево, вверх. А, буду пробач. Ну, я як-небудь сама, да? Сама решу, сама вирішу. Я, короче, неправильно, напевно, запомнила ГП знаки. Електричність теж така дренна. Я стратила його. Ні, я на його чекала, окей. Я не один. О, дедуля. Не, він веде.
Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Granny doesn't know how
Давай,
to shoot that
схапи
thing.
його.
Take out the thief first. He's the only one with his finger on the trigger.
You know what? It's my life on the line.
I'm done listening to you. That thing's gonna blow that man's
Arm off and there's a whole building with me in it. Fuck off. I'm disarming the device.
Що вона
No,
буде
Invisigal, that's a direct order.
бігче? Ой, дядуля. Потерпіть?
Invisigal, you there? Come in, Invisigal.
Ні, дядуля, все.
Fuck, this guy's heavy. Granny's clearly a fan of his own work.
Ой.
Oh, really wasn't expecting to see that. He's kind of caked up. So where's the perp, Lieutenant?
Не, ну вона
He must
виконала,
have something
конечно,
else to
але...
do, 'cause he left.
I mean, this is why you have insurance, right?
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains.
Mm-hmm.
Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use
Возьми,
a
Толя,
snack.
разгоняй.
Are you sure you're not actually 80
Кока-Колей.
years old?
Ой, ну мы... Одна фейлер. 11 поспяхових місій. Ну, я лишу... Это... Вельми добре. Second Win Pharmacy. Некая у нас штука есть. И некая рандомная... Харизми дайте. Ні, окей. Оборона так само добре. Хто отримає більше оборони? Голем. Далей. Так. Вставляем наш доляр на заховала. И что там мы его ником взяли? Что это? А, это наш Бэтмен.
Hey,
Ah, shit.
what kind of superhero flinches?
Я не розумію, чому
Superhero, chill out.
він так всі
If you had
скаути?
people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Yeah, well, I guess you should do a better job picking your friends.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, You know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy's
Ну, їм
weird.
треба
Yeah,
ніяк
he is.
посеврувати.
Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
Ну,
You
ти
disobeyed a direct order. How can
не
you think
послухала
you did
мене.
well? You trashed the place. The suspect got away. You got the client hurt. You think when that guy signed up for SDN that it'd result in the back of his ball sack getting scorched? Because they don't mention that in the commercials.
First of all, the place
Якая
was trashed when I
кицюлька.
got there. Second, I'm sure Granny would take some crispy nuts
Заставайся.
over losing his arm. As far as the bad guy,
Позитивным.
fuck, shit happens.
Fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now?
Ну, кофеек Робби.
I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without a shell. A real hero puts their ass on the
Йому
line.
треба
A
у
real hero
терапії
can't press a button and make
стільки
their
шмат.
problems disappear.
The fact of the matter is, you
Да.
need me way more
Я
than
потрібен їм всім.
Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the
Просто вельми
universe
шмат
that'll keep you from being
роздражаючих
selfish
факторів
fucking
зараз.
asshole.
Я ще ніяк тримається. Ось і порозмовляли.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Нічого собі, я ще й приклала мене. От ти біч.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not
Ні,
what the-
тримай.
You know what? Help yourself.
What happened to your nose?
Here we go.
Так, що там,
You
чим
had
він його
tissue
заткнув?
hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
Ну, і на мене ударила.
punched me in the face, but I asked for
Robert, this is serious.
It's not. I asked for it.
Okay, there's nothing you could have said that warrants her hitting
Would
you.
it be any different if I said I literally asked for her to hit me in the face, and then she did it?
I suppose.
Okay, then let's go with that.
We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here. I thought it was
Ні,
pretty
ну,
good.
11
Told you, Robin.
поспіхових
I was watching on
це
the
ліпше.
monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the granny thing went.
Yeah, now the granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
Ну,
I should have
я
been better. Maybe a couple
по
wires got
факту я
crossed through
мог
the end there. I could have been
ліпше
more
справитися,
clear with
коли
her.
б, може,
You cross
хакнула.
zero wires,
Ну,
okay?
нічого б не
She
повпливало,
crossed
але
before you.
Look, Robert,
не все
you
пішло
should be
ідеально.
proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy.
Та я думаю,
It
твой
will,
огонек
but
не
when it does, I also
сдуля.
need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Okay. We'll do it your way.
Ось і
Monday,
порозмовляємо,
we'll get them
побачимося
in
у
a room and
понеділок.
introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
Як і
Fucking way it's
завжди.
gonna work. But it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Чому я не можу заправити?
What?
What are you doing?
No, no,
Ой,
no,
його
no,
взяли на
I
працю?
did this. It's weird, because, yeah, I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nice,
Що за
nicely
дітьонок?
on a napkin, but then she comes back and she just crazy, like
Чому ти почервонів?
loaded, hit, smashed the same donut.
What a mess.
Will clean it.
What? No.
No, yes, see, I'm SDN's newest,
Hero?
helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's
Може,
my
і я на
pleasure
нашій
and
команді
my
Калініміс
job
побудзе, хоча він, звісно,
you
не
help
злий.
me get.
Та йо-моє,
Thank
треба
you.
пошукати.
Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah. Great. Thanks, kid.
Лиходей.
Welcome
Все,
to the team,
лиходеи.
Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Дякую за
Hey,
это.
I want you to know.
А,
us
і он же
fixing
просто
your suit
чистую
is
воду,
not
напевно,
contingent
так
on you fixing the Z team. I wouldn't do that. to you.
виробляємо.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going
Так,
to do some
я
great
так
things
само
together.
вдячна
I'm,
бути тут.
I'm really glad I'm here, too.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you. It's a little awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer.
О, містер Вандерфул, чи як він там.
Are you ready to go? Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend.
А, феноменен.
This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you
Такий
so
ось
small?
це
Hey,
я.
come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great.
За компом
It was
сидеть.
great. It was a
Треба
great
мозги.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreamed of sushi. You should join us.
Вона не хоче, щоб ми йшли,
I'm
а
sure
я
they could
хочу.
accommodate one more.
Так, учись весело.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that sounds just amazing. I would love to join.
Phenomenal.
Actually, I don't know if we can add one more to the reservation. And more importantly, in order for us to get there in time, we'd have to hit supersonic speed, and Robert here.
Oh.
А, ну так вы можете меня
Yeah,
прихопить.
I think he would die.
Oh no.
А,
Perhaps another time.
Yeah, for sure.
а що? Я хочу так само з цим.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, Third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power
Я
of my
мені
launch
трошку
has been known
чимсь
to stun
не
small
подобається. Окей, ні, це Супермен. Ах. Норм. Дропщик. І ось такий кінець другого епізоду отримлюється. Давайте нам наші статистики. Так, 93% дали кулачок. Red it out? В сенсі, я не була пацком у цій ситуації. Може, трошку? Я була просто щирий. Мы 31% выбрали самый базованный пончик. У сенсі, коли було це варіант? Ми 73% вирішили не запрошать на спотка на Блейзер, что? Это помылка некая. Мы 10% сказали так на запрошение. Ми 42% не дали Соніку зустрітися там з неким його улюбленим героєм, напевно. Ну и дали прозвище 34. Invisible мы больше все и дослали на задание. И мы были лепше, чем 50%. Ну, не дранный виник. Ось, побачимося у третьому епізоді.